Good morning, everyone. This is Nilofer, ma'am. I hope you all are fine at your homes and your studies are going well. So, as you all know, that we are doing the syllabus of internal assignment A1. Our subject is English grammar, and in today's video, I will explain you worksheet 15. So, as you all know, that we have completed all the lessons in the syllabus of internal assignment A1 of English grammar, and from today we are starting the extra work of English grammar. So in extra work today I will explain you synonyms and suffixes. So like always, before starting the work, you all have to mention today's date in your copies, that is 26 April 2021. With this you have to mention online classwork in your copies, and with this you have to mention extra work in your copies. So first of all I will explain you synonyms. Let's see the definition. A synonym is a word that has the similar meaning of a particular word in the language. सिनोनिम क्या होते हैं? समान अर्थ वाले शब्द होते हैं जो भी किसी एक भाषा में समान अर्थ रखने वाले शब्द होते हैं. दे आर कॉल्ड सिनोनिम्स. लेट्स सी द अनदर डेफिनेशन, दैट इज सिमिलर मीनिंग वर्ड्स आर कॉल्ड सिनोनिम्स. समान अर्थ वाले शब्दों को सिनोनिम्स कहा जाता है. एग्जाम्पल यू कैन सी अमेजिंग मीन्स अद्भुत, सो वी कैन से अनबिलीवेबल ऑल्सो. नेक्स्ट वन इज डिस्क्राइब, इट मीन्स वर्णन करना, सो वी कैन यूज नरेट ऑल्सो एट द प्लेस ऑफ डिस्क्राइब. Let's see the exercise. Write synonyms of these words. First one is terrible. Terrible means होता है भयंकर. So we can say awful and dreadful also. Next is difference. So we can use disagreement and inequity at the place of difference. Quiet, shant. Synonym is calm, peaceful. Fourth one is trouble, pareshani, distress, anxiety. Fifth one is eager, fervent, enthusiastic, means utsuk. Sixth one is famous, so synonym can be renowned and eminent. Seventh one is hate, means घृणा करना, that can be despise or abhor. Seventh one is look, it means देखना, so it can be perceive and glimpse. Ninth one is stop, it means रुकना, so it can be seize and pause. 10th one is strange, it can be weird and odd. Now I will explain you suffix. So let's see the definition of suffix. Suffixes are letters that are added after another words to form new words. Suffix क्या होते हैं? एक प्रकार के letters होते हैं. They are not words, they are letters जो किसी शब्द के आगे यूज किए जाते हैं एक नए शब्द को बनाने के लिए. Example you can see ly. So from ly we can make daily, monthly, able, flexible and portable. Now let's see the exercise related to suffix. Make new words by adding these suffixes. Some suffixes are being given here. We have to make new words by adding these suffixes. First is ful, full. So in forget, if we will use full, so it will become forgetful. Use में करेंगे useful. Second ion, it can be complication and creation. Third one al, that is arrival and burial. Fourth one is ity, that is equality and cruelty. Fifth one is SIUN, that is expression and complexion. We have added IUN to express, it has become expression, and IUN to complex, it has become complexion. Then next one is less, that is hopeless and useless. Next is ATE8, so dominate and irritate. Next one is IFY, so we have made beautify and clarify. Next one is en, so we have made broken and wooden. Broken from break and wooden from wood. Last one is an, that is the word we have made Indian and American. So these were the synonyms and suffixes related to the work of today. I hope everything is clear to all of you. If still any confusion is there, so you can ask me on the WhatsApp also. I'll meet you in the another explanation video. Till that, keep learning, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye everyone.